2. Come on, come on. One more rep. Boy, if you don't get. What's good, guys? Welcome to my new video. My name is Victory, and I'm here to tell you how the muscles actually grow. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. That's gonna mean a lot for me. And let's dive into this video. We'll go into a little bit of detail to say, first of all, we want to know how the muscles actually grow and how do you get this, for example, biceps or triceps. People don't tend to understand the main basic of how this muscle actually grows. So this is the reason why I'm just gonna cut it down for you and just let you know how. First of all, we're gonna know what are cells. Now, what are cells in the body? First of all, cells are the smallest units that can live on its own and that makes up all living organisms and the tissues of the body. Oh, Victory, I don't know. Yeah, I know this is what cells mean, but how does it correspond to muscle growth? It corresponds to muscle growth because I'm going to tell you what are tissues. Tissue is a group of cells or fluid that work together to perform a specific job in the body. Now, how does it now go towards muscle growth? Because right now it's going to be like, okay, do tissues actually make up muscles? That's what people can ask themselves, and the answer is yes, because muscles are actually tissues. When you're in the gym and you're training really hard, going really crazy, and busting your workout out like but you're going crazy. At that moment there's always this one rep. All right, now this one rep at this particular time of when you are struggling or basically trying to lift up the weight to yourself, that is when your muscles are actually growing. Because at this point you really want to build the muscle. When you are struggling, that part of like, oh, one more rep, that is where the muscle actually grows, and that is where you actually reach failure. So at this point I'm going to tell you what muscle hypertrophy is. Okay, muscle hypertrophy involves increasing muscle size, typically through strength training, just like I said. So when you're at the gym, busting up your workout, giving up your bicep, at that point is where your body is like, oh, what's going on? Okay, you know what? I have to find a solution right now. Okay, and that's when your body starts producing more tissues. So that
and you to grow, you must grow. I'm the boss, motherfucker.
Okay, this is how you actually grow muscles. Okay, that's like the basic foundation, okay, when it comes to the body, because your body can actually do a lot. So because when you're actually giving your body or the muscle, like you're straining the muscle or you are basically putting stress on it, that is when the actual growth is taking place.
Oh, shit, like
what actually causes that muscle growth is what I'm going to say. The body repairs the microtraumas by adding amino acids, which is actin and myosin, to the myofilament. So at that point where your muscles is tearing, that is when you're receiving the growth. Like you're going like, come on, last one, and that is when you basically you command the muscle to grow.
And you to grow, you must grow. I'm the boss, motherfucker.
It goes. So basically you're giving just like, for example, you see David Goggins, the video saying like
17. You don't know me, son. Get it. 18. You don't know me, son. Get it. 19. You don't know me, son. Yeah. 20. You got some more. Yeah. 21.
Actually, the contraction, everything starts coming because now your body is in shock. Now, but also that last rep really counts, and that is how the last rep and the contraction of your muscle. That's how you really actually grow. I'm someone who is trying to start going to the gym, want to know how. So this is how so basically giving yourself that that challenge to go in all straight in, and that, my friend, is how you grow the muscle. Okay, and also yes, being consistent with your diet, being consistent with the gym, going to train, workouts and all, and yeah, also helps, you know, and drinking your protein shake, because I mean it's really the essentials of actually muscle growth also thing. But all of this together combined in one, then you'll see growth, and that's just how it is. So now you know how to grow your muscles, and now you know how it is to grow muscles. So I would like to see that in your workout. That's it for the video. Thank you. If this video really helped you and you understood exactly what I said, please subscribe. I appreciate the support, and stick around for my next videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.